Understanding Timber Sales, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of timber sales. If you're interested in environmental topics, business, or just expanding your English vocabulary, stay tuned as we break down this term. Let's start by understanding the word timber. Timber refers to the wood that is prepared for use in building and carpentry. It's the material that comes from trees once they have been cut down and processed. Now, let's talk about sales. Sales involve the exchange of goods or services for money. So when we combine the two words, timber sales refer to the commercial transaction where timber is sold and bought. There are different types of timber sales, such as stumpage sales, where buyers pay for the right to harvest timber from the landowner's property. Another type is log sales, where the timber is sold after being harvested. Timber sales are not just transactions. They have a significant impact on the economy, the environment, and even on cultural practices. They are an essential part of the forestry industry. To help you understand better, let's see timber sales in a sentence. The company reported an increase in timber sales due to the high demand for construction materials. We hope this video sheds light on what timber sales mean and why they are important. Remember, every piece of vocabulary is a stepping stone to greater fluency. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.